Hey y'all, everybody's favorite bumpkin here. You may wonder why I'm wearing work clothes on a Monday, because that's not normal for me. Well, there's a reason for that. I've been here at work. Now the thing is, we take Independence Day pretty damn serious and to the heart around here at the Ride Factory, because all of us are either prior service military, we got friends and family that are, or we got friends and family and extended family that are current active duty military. Now what that means for us is, we work today when we normally are closed. That way we can kind of get ahead of the curve, get some bikes kicked out the door, and get everybody their scooter back for the weekend. Now what that means for me is I'm going to have a 4-day weekend where I can actually get some stuff done out in the shop and also on my kitchen at the house, which I desperately need to do. But as far as tonight goes, we're not doing Ramwin Park tonight. We're going to move that to Thursday night. That way, I've got the time to where I can get home and actually finish putting together a video for you fine folks. And also, Thursday night, right immediately after my video, we're going to kick over to Rainy Rider because he's got some cool shit that he's going to show us that he's doing on a Sportster and some other stuff that, aquatically friendly Rainy Rider does. So yeah, check it out, okay? 8 o'clock, Thursday night on the Joe the Mountain Jedi channel, and make sure you stick around for Rainy's video right after mine, okay? Till then, remember guys, I love you. I'll catch you on the flip side.